So you want to start running Facebook ads for yourself or for clients. Make sure to watch this video so you don't waste money, don't make these huge mistakes, and get everything going right from the get-go. We're gonna cue that intro, but I want to know from you. Comment below and let me know. Do you wanna run ads for yourself? Do you wanna run ads for clients? Is there a particular niche that you're interested in serving? No, you don't have to niche down. Let's cue that intro and get this episode going. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist, the founder of the Viral Touch marketing agency. We've worked with brands such as MIG Soap, Christy Code Red, ClickFunnels, Lionsgate, and some of your favorite 8 to 10 figure businesses, but we've signed NDAs. I'm going to share with you some big things that will prevent you from wasting money on Facebook ads, whether it's your budget going into the Facebook ads or your clients. And before you say, well, sure, Rachel, but you've only run ads for your clients. At the time of recording this, I have personally spent $524,335.66 to be precise. So I've got skin in the game. I know what it takes to run successful Facebook ads. You want to follow these steps. Do not run Facebook ads until you have watched this video and implemented what I'm about to share with you. Number one, make sure that you have a Facebook pixel installed across your entire website and the funnels and or digital sales pages that you're sending traffic to. Do not run a single Facebook ad until you have this pixel installed. Number two, make sure that you understand the difference between an ads manager and just boosting a post. Boosting posts is not the same as running full advertisements. Is it a form of running advertisements? Yeah, to an extent, but that's like saying the yoga you find on YouTube is the same as Kundalini. Yeah, they're very different. The truth is, boosting ads can be an effective time saver, but only in a few specific scenarios. If you do not understand the difference between ads manager and boosting posts, I do not recommend that you run Facebook ads yet for yourself or for clients. Strategy number three, make sure that you know the conversion rates of whatever offer you're sending people to. If you do not know what the conversion rate is, it's time for you to do some research. That means out of 100 people who visit the sales page that you're sending the traffic to, what percent of them turn into buying customers? You want it to be somewhere between 1 and 5%, with the sweet spot being 2% plus. If you aren't currently seeing 1 to 5% conversion rate already, then just remember that you don't want to spend a lot of money to test out how that cold traffic does, because truth is, it's like putting water into a bucket with no bottom. Number four, if you cannot clearly articulate what your goal is with running Facebook ads, or even worse, if your goal is branding or awareness, that is a money pit. I do not recommend running ads if you aren't clear on the goal or if your goal is branding and awareness, because that alone could eat up your entire marketing budget and never produce a single dollar in revenue. Number five, you need to be able to track your conversions, meaning for every dollar you spend on Facebook ads, you need to have your ads manager set up so that you can see how many dollars you're getting in return. What is your cost per purchase? What is your return on ad spend? Without understanding what these numbers are, you are not setting yourself up for success with Facebook ads. Number six, I highly recommend split testing 6+ images in every single Facebook ad set. I also recommend split testing 1 or 2 sets of copy. I'm just going to put that out there. I think it's really helpful to have like 1 short form set of copy and 1 long form set of copy. Number seven, read through the Facebook ad regulations, because without these regulations, you can accidentally get yours or your clients' Facebook ad accounts shut down and banned permanently if you aren't careful. Also, please keep in mind the Facebook ad regulations, which we will link to beneath this video, also include and apply to all landing pages that you're sending traffic to. I think I'm on number 8. Don't use before and afters of bodies or any portion of a body in your ads. The same is true on your landing pages as well. And number 9, do not run Facebook ads until you have checked out my freebie Facebook ad bundle. You can check it out beneath this video. I include 5 ways to avoid the money suck of Facebook ads if you aren't careful. My number 1 template for Facebook ads that will support you with making sure you have all of the key elements and a few other amazingly powerful goodies in there for you. So check that out beneath this video. Comment below and let me know which of these was the most eye-opening for you, and subscribe to my channel if you found value in this. Every week I put out 3 to 5 YouTube tutorials free of ads to support you in growth as a social media manager or a business owner. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I will catch you later. My name is Rachel Pedersen. Bye for now, guys. Okay. Shut down and burned.